welcome back to this channel. India Bank has released a big recruitment notification for the 1500 apprenticeships posts across India. So in this video, I will explain eligibilities and age, salary, and what is the selection process and how to apply and all the important points you need to know about the recruitment. So let's talk about the vacancies. There are 1500 vacancies there. So coming to the opening and closing date, opening date is 18/7/2025 to 7 August 2025. Opening. Here they are mentioned the state-wise vacancies training apprentice for as the follow. So coming to the Andhra Pradesh, there are 82 vacancies, and also they are mentioned reservation-wise also. So how many SC and how many ST, how many BC. Coming to the Telangana, so there are 42 vacancies as for SC 6 and ST 2 and OBC 11. So total we have 1500 vacancies, and for SCs 2025, ST 75, OBC 351. So looking to the eligibility criteria, so they are mentioned free criteria here. The candidate should be must ensure Indian or Nepal or Bhutan and the Tibetan. So these are the national they are eligible for the applying this. Let's talk about the age and education qualifications. They are cutting the age calculation by July 1st 2025. So minimum 20 years and maximum 28 years they are cut off the dates. So and they are also providing SC, ST, PWB reservations. According to that, you can also apply your reservation. So coming to the education qualification here, so graduation is must ensure in the disciplinary university. So you must ensure complete your graduation by 1/4/2021. So after that 2021, those are completed graduations. Before they are eligible. After they are eligible. Before those are completed their graduation, they are not eligible for these vacancies. So you can see here a relaxation up to age limit. So SC, ST they have 5 years and OBC 3 years, and those who are PWBD, so they are 10 years, and those who are person with further notice they are 5 years. So then coming to the selection process, so those who want to apply these vacancies, they must ensure for the applying this website. Before going to application, they must ensure applying this NATAS 2.0 portal. After this registration, you can come to the apply for your this vacancies. Here we can apply our vacancies. So this link I will provide in the description box. Just click on the link. This open will tab. If you have a new registration, just click on new registration form and fill your basic details of your information. Then click on the save next. You have to fill this 6 must and should information. Then after that, you will get a application form. So then take the print out the application, and you will don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button. Just click on the down arrow button. Just click on all. You will never miss our notification. And we are bringing your government jobs updates and notifications and exam tips regularly. So stay tuned to the channel.